What is money? Money is one of the most talked about subjects on planet Earth. There have been songs about it, books written about it, and movies made about it. It is such an essential part of life that people dream about it and imagine what life would be like with more money. Before you become the next billionaire, you must learn the fundamentals of money and build a strong foundation. Money is nothing more than a tool of exchange. Some form of value or service is exchanged and money is given. Money turns into energy and its abundance flows throughout the world. The goal is to move your earned money as fast and as often as possible where it can begin to work for you. This concept is known as the velocity of money. The process of acquiring and keeping money is similar to planting an apple orchard. Clear the land, plan for your financial foundation. Plant the seeds, take action, nourish and water the seeds. It requires discipline, focus, knowledge, and growth. Remember your objective. Protect the seeds from harm. Stay aligned with your goals, make pivots when necessary, and use systems and processes to guide you. Be patient and wait for the tree to grow over time. Stay the course, be patient, don't get distracted. Pick the fruit when the harvest is ready. Cash flow. Plant the next tree. Reinvest the cash flow and repeat the process. But how do we get money? There are 4 levels of money called the pyramid of money. Earn, save, invest, and secure. Step 1. Earn income. There is no reason to beg, lie, cheat, or steal. The simple solution is to do the work. Work at a job, start a business, work on improving yourself to become the best version of yourself. Hold yourself accountable for your financial situation. Be honest with yourself. How did I get here and what can I do to change my current situation? Move. Take action and get a job to bring in immediate income. As your value grows at your job or business with increased knowledge, skills, and expertise, so will your income. Start somewhere and begin your financial journey. Always look to improve your current situation. Raise your level of consciousness through knowledge, skill, and a desire to master the game of money. Develop the Mamba mentality. Mamba mentality is defined as a constant quest to be the best version of one's self. Make a paradigm shift by shifting your outlook on life. Come from a place of gratitude. Don't say J-O-B, just over broke. Instead, be thankful for your job and look at it as a tool. It gives you income to survive, which will give you peace of mind. Be grateful whatever the job is. The moment you get a job, see if there are opportunities for growth. If not, look for the next job opportunity while still working. Do your best at the current job, but realize it's just a temporary tool. Each job is a stepping stone to your next venture. Keep moving forward. Unless you love your job, the job doesn't matter. It's about earning income. Your focus should be on gaining knowledge, experience, and money. The goal is to accumulate as many skills and as much money as possible for future wealth. Step 2. Establish banking relationships. Open a checking and savings account to store your money. Get a credit card if possible. If not, start with a secured card to establish your credit. Step 3. Money allocation and minimize monthly expenses. Once you start making money, regardless of your income level, keep a spreadsheet or use an app to document the money you spend. The key is to know where your money is going. Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Once the first 2 levels of Maslow's hierarchy of needs are met, such as food, water, shelter, health, well-being, and personal safety, we can begin to save. Step 4. Save and reduce debt. In order to get ahead, you must be patient and disciplined. The goal is to set aside 40% of what you earned. Initially, some form of savings account at a bank will work. Pay down credit cards, car payments, and student loans. Paying down debt increases monthly cash flow and improves your credit score. Step 5. Earn more money and accelerate your savings. This can be achieved in 3 ways. Number 1. Get a continued education by attending college to get your bachelor's degree, a master's, or a PhD. More knowledge equals value. More value equals more exchange. More exchange equals more earning potential. Number 2. Get a second job. There are many flexible jobs available to accommodate your primary job. Number 3. Start a business. Develop a skill, produce a product, and market it to others. Step 6. The invest and growth stage. Invest in yourself first. Educate yourself. Money takes time to grow. After securing a minimum of 6 months of funds to cover all of your expenses, begin to save to invest your money. Money shouldn't be stagnant in a bank. The problem is that money doesn't grow sitting in a bank. Smart investments will help your money grow exponentially. You can only work so many hours per week, but your money can work 24/7. You eventually want the money earned through investments to produce enough cash flow to replace your earned income. The ultimate goal is financial freedom. Step 7. Rinse and repeat. Each of these steps take time. During this growth stage, create a lifelong learning journey to improve yourself. Be careful with the people you hang around. Be leery of people that don't have the same goals and dreams as you do. Remember to take one day at a time and keep moving forward. Taking action is the first step. Remember to make progress, not perfection. Buy assets and reduce liabilities. In other words, buy things that make you money and limit the things that take money out of your pocket. Cars, homes, boats, vacations. Ask yourself, what did I do today to make myself better? I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times. Bruce Lee. Trust the process. With financial growth, applied knowledge, and patience, you will get your desired results. Join Mason Institute to learn the process of achieving financial freedom.